morning, MW Killer Gain Trading, Crypto, welcome, Retail Fam, welcome, Retail Fam. Gonna do a macro vid today, a stream about some things going on, the dangers in crypto, what we're planning, and how we can make money on this volatility. So please do share the vid, and let's get all ready. Okay guys, welcome. What do we got over here? Good morning, Altco Pops, the first one, Mario. Good morning, bro. Willem, Dutois, welcome. Bitcoin, feeling bullish after. Okay, nice to have a bull. To have a strong bull over here. I don't believe in bulls and bears, by the way, but welcome, Mr. Bitcoin, Mario, Brandon Bennett. Hello, Top Dog. Good morning, Sonia. Good morning. All's back where they start, a dream come true. Well, congrats to that one, bro. Congrats to that one. Let's go, Elena. Philip Matosh, welcome. Well, welcome, guys. Big crash, 42, more dump incoming. Well. A lot of predictions over here. We got some bulls, we got some bears over here. Nice to see that. Well, keep it going, guys. I'm very interested in what you guys think. Well, we've got Mr. Bitcoin is our bull over here, and we've got Top Dog is our bear over here. Well, nice. Let's see how it's gonna end. So let's first of all start, guys. What I want to show you guys, because I made a tweet today. I was scrolling through Twitter, and what I saw was it's let's all agree on one thing. So we all have to agree on this one, because if we don't agree on this one, there's no need to go any further from here, because you will not understand it. The first thing that we all have to agree on is this. When you go into the media, the crypto news channels, the influencers, etc., you have to understand that these guys make money when retailers are bullish on the markets. We have to all agree on this one. If you don't agree on this one, there's nothing you can understand about what I'm gonna say. So you have to understand the narrative. So the media owners, so the ones that are ruling the marketing and ruling the marketing machine, if it's on Twitter or it's on YouTube, if it's on whatever platform out there, they need to be bullish on everything. If it's stocks, if it's crypto, if it's whatever out there. The only thing that they are not interested, not bullish on, is fiat. I do agree with them on a degree, by the way. I do agree with about fiat, but they are bullish on everything. And the only reason why they are bullish, in my opinion, is they need retailers to be bullish. Because if retailers are not bullish, retailers are not in the markets, they will not make money. Or do you think that they are making money just like you guys, at least trying to make money, trading, buying altcoins, selling, making gains? Do you really believe that? If you believe that, if that is what you believe, then you'll better just get out of that dream very fast. Get out of that dream. Just get out of it. So Pever, welcome Pever. Disclosure crypto, hey man, is the right time to buy Gary Network. What is it with you and Gary Network? Bro, we are in much more important things to talk about than Gary Network at this moment, bro. I understand, you know, guys in the chat, the retail fam, most of you guys don't own this, don't do this, but you have to understand that a lot of retailers, it's just what it is. They own a lot of wrecked bags, and the only thing that they can do is shill as much of those bags available on YouTube or on Twitter every chance they have, in the hope that they will get their money back and the price goes up. And this is something healthy. I understand that. I don't blame you guys. So just keep doing what you guys are doing. But it's you know, I'll always tell you just how it is. There ain't no hidden agenda. I will just tell you exactly how it is. So guys, what are we watching over here? What is this? This is the Nasdaq on the monthly. This is the Nasdaq on the monthly. Let's look at this, guys. Look at this. Do you see this tiny, this over here? Are you seeing this? Do you know what this is? Do you have any clue? Does anyone in the chat know what this is? This over here? These two monthly candles, what is this? Does anyone have a clue what this is? You know what this is? This is the Corona crash, guys. You see this too tiny? Do you see this? They call this a crash. So this was a crash. Are you feeling me? This is a crash, the Corona crash. This created a lot of blood and pain in the markets. These two tiny candles. And if you would compare this box, so this box, compare it with how many boxes we went up. 1, 2, 3. We already made 4 crashes up. Are you feeling me? I don't know if you guys understand what I'm just trying to explain. So this was a crash. A lot of people got liquidated. They lost a lot of money. Things were getting bankrupt, etc. That was this crash, this tiny crash. Look where we are. We made 4 crashes up. So this is number one, what I wanted to say. We had over here this correction. This was the correction when inflation was getting in and the Fed started hiking rate. So this was this one. So what I want to show you guys this. This is pure TA, guys. Let's also, I tweeted about this today. We are, if you go to the bubble index, we are at all-time highs on the bubble index. So no matter what bubble in the past happened, we are in a bigger bubble right now. So just for you guys to know, and it's all about the AI and Nvidia and etc. But let's do just some basic TA. Let's say we had this move up. This was the move up from the Corona crash bottom to the previous top. If you would measure this one from here. I'm just saying, guys. Listen, this is just pure basic TA. This is take this with a grain of salt. So this rise up, we already almost made the same rise up over here. So if we will get until 20,600, then we'll reach the same level that we reached over here on this Fomo move up. So, but I have to tell you that the circumstances over here on this rise up were much better than the circumstances that we are in now. Because now, stagflation, inflation is sticky, a lot of debt, the households in America, a lot of debt. We are also in a lot of wars. There's a lot going on in the world that wasn't happening on this rise. Because at this rise, we had only the money printer making money for the Corona crash and the Corona this and the stimulants and boom, 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 boom. So this is another story now. We are also, what we didn't have a 5% in rates. So banks were very safe here. So I'm just telling you, this situation that we are in here is a worse situation than we were over on this rise. So this is how you can measure the power of the bubble that we are in. Because guys, yesterday I was trading the US 500 and I traded on very low time frames with the MW indicator. It's created on this chart. guys, it's really, 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 I trade a lot. And I've got a lot of experience in trading. Guys, when you are on a low time frames on this NASDAQ, it's really freaking mind-blowing. It reminds me on the previous bull cycle and the one before on crypto. When you go, just let's say, like, I don't know, like Polkadot was rising or XRP was rising or whatever. It's just when you go on that 5-minute chart and the thing just keeps blowing up. It just doesn't come down. It doesn't matter how high you set your stop loss. The thing just keeps going up, 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 up. There ain't no stopping in it. They don't even bother to wreck any long. No. Longs are their friends. They only wreck shorts. So they just keep going, going, going. They don't even take a breather. They just keep going up. It's, guys, I've never, ever seen something like this. And I'm telling you, and this is really what's going on over here. This looks like a blow-off top. When a blow-off top comes, this was the previous all-time high, and we are now witnessing the blow-off top. So I don't have to tell you what happens after a blow-off top. Most of you guys should understand and know that after a blow-off top, a big dump comes. So this thing, it could even make even higher. It could pump even higher, no problem. It could just go up more because it's a bubble. And a blow-off top, I'm just saying, I also tweeted about my biggest fear for Bitcoin is not, my biggest fear for Bitcoin is not the Mt. Gox. It's not Germany or America selling Bitcoin. It's the only fear that I have on Bitcoin and crypto is this chart. This chart. And you know why I'm saying this? Because Bitcoin hasn't been tested yet against the markets. Because those same institutions that we are so happy about that came into crypto, those same people, those are the ones pumping this. They are the ones pumping this. So in our dreams is, let's hope that when this thing starts dumping down, that they will flip their money out of the stocks into Bitcoin and crypto. That's our dream. Let's hope that it happens. But it didn't happen before. Let me just say that. Because in the history, what tells us history is that, just look at this one. This was 22. This dump, this correction over here. Let me show you. Let me show you. 22. This is 22 over here. Are you seeing it? This was 22. Where is it? Over here. So this dump down was this, what you're seeing over here. This was this. So I'm just saying. So let's hope some miracle will happen to crypto, that when this thing makes the dump or the correction, that Bitcoin will find a way to hold itself. So that's number one. Number two, what I wanted to talk about, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I want to explain you guys something. So I don't want all this FOMO BS. Let's just be realistic and just talk about exactly what's going on. Because, you know, I've got a buddy of mine, he watches all those shows, he makes summaries and he tells me this and this and this and this, and it's all the same. It's all, we're going to the moon. We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon. And they will find you any data out there, we're going to the moon. There's 8 billion of Bitcoin getting sold off by Mt. Gox. No problem. We're going to the moon. German government is selling. No problem. We're going to the moon. The US government has started to sell. No problem. We're going to the moon. The US market is almost topping out on a blow-off top. No problem. We're going to the moon. And you know what happens next? They do their thing like they always do. And then I'll start getting the DMs. Ambi, what do I need to do? Why? What is it? I'm 30K in red on my Bitcoin long. I'm 50K red on my ETH long. I'm 70K red on my Polkadot long. How am I going to answer that? It's now that you have to listen. Now, at this moment. So the ones that are already having a lot of losses or owning a lot of altcoin bags that are super wrecked, I can't help you. I can show you what we are going to do, the ones that own the funds and sold the previous stop, and how we're going to do it. So if you have an already wrecked bag, there's nothing, what am I going to say? Sell it. If it goes up, by any means, it's my fault. If I'm going to tell you hold it and it dumps more, it's my thing. That's not what I do. I can get into your, I don't know how much more funds you have. I don't know what your personal situation is. I can never judge and tell you what to do because I need more data from you and I will not do that. People have offered me a lot of money past years to give them personal, private financial advice. I am no financial advisor and I'll never give you personal financial advice. What I will do is I show you what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. So something I want to show you guys. This was the 20K. This was the previous stop. There was no spot ETF over here. There were no institutions or whatever. It was only Elon Musk tweeting a bit, Bitcoin this, Dogecoin, whatever. We made, after breaking all-time high, listen, look what we did. This was the all-time. We broke it over here. We made it 250% on Bitcoin. What did we do over here? This was, we made a 7%. Hooray! Hooray! We made a 7%. We made a 7%. And this was when institution came in. This was when the spot ETF came in. This is when Wall Street is coming into crypto. So how, and I've been saying it now from the beginning, how are these guys bullish for us? Because when it was just us, look how we pumped Bitcoin. And I'm not even going to talk about a lot of crypto altcoins. Those made 50, 100x, 200x, etc. What is this? 7%. Well, hooray! Congrats to all the funds that came into crypto, spot ETFs. Well, they're doing great. Great. You know what they did? And I said it before it happened. What they did is they stabilized crypto and they pumped. This is what they did. They are pumping this while they blocked us over here. That's what they did. And what they did was they already knew over here that the spot ETF was coming. So this is where they created the Fomo. This is where they made money on this rise up over here. They already knew the spot ETF was coming. Nobody's gonna fool us. So this is where they started buying in. This is where they made money. And now they stabilized us. And what are they doing? They're making sick gains over here. And what are we doing? We're just watching them. A lot of altcoins getting wrecked, nothing going up. A lot of meme coins, a lot of scams, a lot of whatever. And we're just watching it and getting wrecked and bleeding while the rich are getting richer every day. Because if you would watch these charts on the lower time frames when the markets are open, you'll get shocked. It will remind you at crypto in the previous cycles how it went up. And they saw this and they don't want this because rich people want to get rich themselves. They don't want other people to get rich. It's just a law. It's an unwritten law. If I would be rich, if everyone would be rich, I'm not so special anymore. So what do I need to do when I'm rich? I need to make sure that the rest will stay poor. It's just how the system works. That's the system. So, okay, well, MB, enough of this theory and enough of this what you're telling us, whatever. We're just here to know if we're bullish or we're bearish. Can we buy in? Can we make money? Is my altcoin back going up or not? That's what you guys are here for. Okay, let me answer this one. So how are we going to make money? Because if you look at this is just not looking good. Now, the answer to this is very simple. It's GTC, Gain Trading Crypto. And what does it mean? Gain Trading Crypto doesn't mean that it only go up. It means that it also goes down. So you have to make money. Let me put it on the lower time frames. so you guys can understand it very well. Listen, we've got a lot of market makers in the industry, and market makers will also always defend the price. So they defend it when it goes up. They need to get it. It comes down. They need to get it up again. Why? Because that's how they make money. Because if Bitcoin price would go down like this, nobody's going to buy Bitcoin. It's a falling knife. So when Bitcoin goes up, it's the same thing. Nobody will buy Bitcoin because it's a rising rocket. So to make money as an exchange or as an ETF provider, you need price action to go like either this, or you need it to go down like this. This is how you make money, because they rule the Bitcoin price, these guys. So that's also how we make money. It's the same. It's the same story. Let me give you guys a perfect example how we're gonna do that. And I'm just giving you guys now, Bitcoin as an example, but it works on all altcoins also. So what you do is, there's only one way. You have to be owning a lot of knowledge about what tools to use. You have to understand how volume works. You have to understand how funding rates work. You have to know how to connect charts. There are a lot of things that you have to understand to nail this. But there is one tool you can use. That's very easy. Tada! What a surprise to everyone. Tell me you're all shocked. You're all shocked by the show. Tell me you guys are all shocked. So listen, guys. Look at this. Look-see at this. Look-see at this. Look at this. Look at this. Bullish. Bearish. Retest. Boom. Retest. Boom. Retest. Boom. Retest. Boom. Retest. We still had no boom over here. But guys, I know that you guys don't have no clue how much money you can make here. And I've been showing this now for months, but somehow retailers, they just don't get it. When you enter over here, this is a lot of money. When you enter over here, you short, this is a lot of money. Over here, there's a lot of money. When you re-enter over here, this is a lot of money. When you re-enter over here, this is a lot of money. When you re-enter over here, you're still at break even. Let me remove my indicator so you guys can see it. This is how you make money as a trader, and it doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin, it's Ethereum, it's Polkadot, it's whatever it is. And for sure, maybe the indicator will get invalidated sometimes. So be it. Then you get out at break even or a small loss or a small gain. One of the three. But most of the times, tada, you make money here, you make money here. You can make money both ways, by the way, but let's just say on the short. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're waiting for number 6 probably. Probably number 6 is coming again. So this is how you make money, because when you're focused on the lower time frame, so you're focused on how to make money in crypto, and you don't care about whatever influencer X is saying about the worst is over or the bloodbath is over and we can only moon from here and the selling pressure is gone and the ETF volume has gone up. There was one saying the ETF volume was gone up. Yeah, so it means that we're going upward. It was like 140 million of volume on spot ETFs. Well, congrats, bro. Do you even know what volume means or not? This was really a verified big account. This was a big influencer. He said, well, the ETF volume went up. Yes, so? Guys, volume doesn't mean that it's bullish, because selling is also volume. So when you see a number of volume, when you see a number of volume, it doesn't mean that its volume is going up. No, volume could also... Do you remember when Weex was getting delisted from Binance and dumped very hard? The volume was very high, but that was selling volume, because in volume you've got buying volume and you've got selling volume. So selling volume, bearish part, is also volume. And then you got these dorks, or whatever you want to call them, They start sharing on Twitter. Listen, the spot ETF volume was 150 million yesterday. So the average retailer will think, okay, oh, that's bullish. That's bullish. That's bullish. Let's go all in again. It's, you know, there are so many uneducated retailers, and these guys know this. So they play with your mind, they play with your sentiment, and they will get. Listen, they have been wrecking people for like 3 cycles now, and they do the same over and over and over and over again, and they are getting super, super rich every time, again and again. So I'm trying to do it different. But it's very hard to find retailers and to tell them the truth and they believe you. They don't believe you. What are you saying? Oh, are you saying that we're bearish now? Are you saying that we could dump? Oh, is that really? I hate you. Delete. Unfollow. Unfollow. I need someone to tell me that I'm going to get rich. That's what I need. Okay. And then after a few weeks, he comes back to me. Wait a minute, that crazy MP told me that we're gonna dump. He even made a vid about it. But now I don't got any money anymore. MP, I want to join the free private, but the problem is I only have got 100 or 200 bucks left from following my Fomo favorite crypto guru. How can I join the free private? Well, you can't. You cannot. It's that simple. And you know why you cannot join the free private group? Because the free private group is for people that active trade on volume. And that does mean with your 100 or 200, 300 bucks, I will guarantee you that you'll get liquidated. So I'm saving you from yourself. I can get you in the group, no problem. Bring me that 200 or 300 or 400 bucks. The team will be very happy with you. Just come in and then make 1 or 2 trades. You'll get liquidated. The team will get a lot of fee revenues and you go back to sleep. It's that simple. But that's not how it works with me. I don't want to get you wrecked. I'm trying to save you from yourself. So if you don't own the funds and you're wrecked, go build your funds. Go work, make some savings. And while you're doing those savings, watch my live streams, watch my vids, watch my tweets, investigate what I'm sharing, why I'm sharing it, do your own research on a lot of things, start understanding the game of crypto, start understanding the game of investing, and then when you're all fresh and you own the funds, that's when you come back, and that's when you say, Ambi, well, I'm ready, bro. I understand everything you say, and I've been analyzing every chart you shared, and I'm ready now to make money, and that's when I will welcome you. But I cannot welcome you when you're wrecked and don't own the funds. Only thing that I can help you is keep educating you guys every day again and again and again. This is my time. I'm not getting any money from this. I'm doing it for free in my own time. I'm giving you everything you need to know to be a successful trader. But the problem is that most of the guys, they are emotional and they're on tilt. I don't know if you guys understand what means they're on tilt. We say it in Dutch because they're on tilt. I think it's in English the same. They're on tilt because you have to see it like this. And I don't blame you guys. It's just a natural feeling. And I really feel for you guys. Because when you just lost like 70% of your portfolio or 50% or have been liquidated, you're on tilt. So you're emotional. Your mind isn't clear. Nothing. The only thing that you're focused on, how am I going to make those losses back? And you know what happens after that? You'll get wrecked even more and more and more. And that's what's going on Twitter at this moment. This is what's going on in the crypto markets. People are on tilt. And it sounds maybe a bit hard and harsh what I'm going to say now. We as professional traders make the most money out of those people. It's just how it is. Because why? Because they create liquidity and they will keep getting liquidated and wrecked over and over and over again. That's just how it works. That's the game. And I'm trying also, very important, because there have been a lot of new members getting into the free private the past days. They finally saw someone that was telling the truth. They finally saw someone that is predicting whatever is happening now. But I was predicting it not because I've got some cigar and some crystal ball. No, I predicted it based on evidence and based on charts and analysis from which I have shared in my 2 crypto crash vids. But what they expect, they come in and then they think it's a signal group. Bro, I'm gonna give you the best education you'll ever get, not out of a book, not out of a 10K trading course, vid, or whatever out there. I'm gonna give you a free trading course, vids. It's freaking free. And I'm going to teach you step by step how the real leverage trading and how the real trading world works, and what the scams are in crypto, where to be careful, what to watch for, how market makers can hunt us down, how we can swim along the wheels, how we can protect our capital at any cost. That's what I will teach you. And when you're ready for that, because you have to see it like this, I do share trade setups. But the ones that are in the private, they are educated. They understand exactly when I share that, they know what to do. They know how to protect the capital, and they know what to do. I just show them the way, and they are the ones that finishing those trades off. So when you get into free private, you have to first educate and watch all trading course vids. By the way, I'm working on it to add all the trading course vids, and maybe I'm even gonna make new trading course vids from the beginning, because there are a lot of new members coming in, a lot of whatever. Maybe I'm gonna make a new series. It also means that I will not be live streaming a lot the coming days. So I will be focused on that one. Okay, guys, I think I said enough about this. These are the dangers, guys. It's just what it is. It's just what it is. These are the dangers, and we have to be prepared for these dangers. And still, nothing changed. Every bounce is a short opportunity. I've said it. I've been saying it now for weeks now, days, weeks, and we nailed every freaking bounce again and again. You guys can all check them on Twitter, all the green P&Ls. I've shared it over and over and over again, and we are still at that same level. Nothing changed. But this is how we make money. We make money like this. This is how we gonna make money, like this. This is how we gonna make money, and at the same thing, we gotta make money this way. And this is, at this point, the only way to make money. This is the only way to make money. And I'm gonna teach you how we're gonna do that. So this is really the only way to make money at this point. And don't let anyone tell you otherwise, because it's a big lie. And because I've been watching, because I'm seeing them popping up. Oh, we bottomed out, we're going to the moon, and this and that. Well, okay, well, guys, I'm gonna jump. It's now your show, guys. So I did my part. This is my part. My part is done. Now it's your part. So let's see what you guys. If you got some extra, some questions, some altcoins, something new, something going on. I've did my part. The second part is always the retail fan part. Okay, thank you. Let's dive into some charts over here. Let me give you guys a preview from the free private. This was a trade setup shared in the morning. It's running in gains. It's running in gains. Because the setup was over here. So this thing will probably be in 60-70% gains as we speak. And this is exactly how it works. And I've got our Bitcoin bull over here. Our Bitcoin bull. I never use indicators. I don't trust them. I agree with you. I agree with you, Bitcoin. You know why I agree with you? Because I've been testing all indicators out there. The paid ones, the ones that there was also an indicator that I tested, it was 5K. 5K. I bought it with 5K just to test it. And let me tell you, the reason why I only use my indicator. I created this thing my own. And this is no science or whatever. This is just an MA and an EMA together in a band. But it's not about the MA or the EMA. It's about what works. What do whales use? What do market makers use while trading, buying in and buying out? That's the secret. So the secret isn't who made the best indicator. The secret is who made the best indicator that works. And how to drive it and how to act on it. Just saying. Just saying. So well, this thing is running in profits as we speak. Let me put it on the 1 hour. Well, it's looking juicy, Let me put on my alarm for the team. So this one is already running as we speak. But guys, this is just what it's gonna be. It's gonna be every day again, making gains, locking in gains. Today, based on how much volume you trade on, you lock in $500, you lock in 2K, you lock in 3K, you lock in $400, $200, you lock in $700, $800, again and again and again and again. And while you're doing that on leverage, you buy in on spot every freaking dump. And you sell at every freaking bounce. Until the indicator will show us that we're flipping. And how do we know that? We know that by using the indicator again. It's very simple. You put it on the daily. What did I tell you? As long as we're below the indicator, just like I was showing you guys over here. So this is for Mr. Bitcoin that doesn't trust indicators. Well, good for you. People made millions on this indicator. No matter. So when we're below it, we're bearish. Very simple. And this thing, as you guys can see, it's creeping down very fast. This is very fast. So this is the next resistance level. So if by any means that will start ramping up the price, no problem. Over here is when you gonna be in full defense mode again. Very simple. So this is a shorting opportunity, just like this one was, just like this one was, just like this one was, and just like this one was. It's that simple. Don't make things too complicated. Just focus on how you're gonna make money every day again and again and again. That's all there is. Don't go think that you're some Einstein. Look at this for example. So that was about leverage trading. Look at this. This box that you're seeing over here and this line, it already was here. I had my buy order set over here. What do you think that I do on a bounce like this? What do you think that I do? What is this? This is a bounce of 7% on ETH. So ETH, the buying bag is a big bag. I take partial profits just like shared on Twitter. I make money. It's free money. I just put the only thing I did. The only thing I did my TA, so I really hit this buying zone, by the way, but I just put in the buy orders on the exchange. It fills me, and then I go to sleep. And then if I find out that it dumped even more, I've got more buy orders over here. But there is a big probability that it bounces up. So what I'm gonna do? Oh, let's see. I've got 5%, 6%, 8%, 10%. Take the damn profits. Take the damn profits. Take the damn profits. And then I'll wait again. Because I know that this, even if it, suppose that we bottomed out over here. Let's just say we bottomed out over here. Let's just say we bottomed out over here. there's a very high probability that we will go up like this. This is how we go up. Suppose that this really bottomed out. I take profits over here, I buy back in. I take profits over here, I buy back in. I take profits over here, I buy back in. It's called gain trading because, as you guys can see, well, this move up, this was the spot ETF. So over here, if you're going to take profits, then you'll not get the chance to buy in lower again. But if you would go to just normal price action like we had over here on this rise up, look how this thing, this is on the daily, by the way. When you trade it, you trade on a 4 hour. Look at this. When you, let me remove all this, by the way. Listen, look at this. Look how this thing goes up. It goes up, bam, bam, back to the indicator, up, profits, back to the indicator. And then over here, if you took profits over here or you took profits over here, well, so be it. You defended your capital. Over here, back, take profits. Go up, buy in again, take profits. And you go on and on and on. So that's just free money, especially when you are at bottom formations. And you do this on every freaking coin, every freaking altcoin. I really keep saying this, and I will repeat myself again and again and again. Guys, it's all about protecting your capital. Buy the blood, sell the bonds. Buy the blood, sell the bonds. Especially now with all the dangers that we're heading into the coming weeks, months. I just explained that in part number 1. So with the dangers going on, buy the blood, sell the bonds, buy the blood, sell the bonds, buy the blood, sell the bonds. That's how you're increasing your portfolio. Your portfolio today is 10K, and maybe in 2 weeks it's 12K. You have to be patient. But you know, a lot of retailers, they are impatient. They want to get rich today, tomorrow, the day after. That's not how it works. You have to be locking in gains every day, again and again and again and again. You've got your leverage trading portfolio, you've got your spot buying portfolio. And those two, you have to be focusing on how to not lose money. Take it step by step. Don't rush into a lot of things. Don't rush. Just take it. Because if you're going fast, if you think that you're going to make money fast, you're going to get wrecked. That's just what it is. What do we've got over here? We've got Beaver, welcome. We've got Uvotet, welcome. We've got Obluda, we've got Biggie, we've got Flam Bam Flam. I like this name, Flam Bam Flam. Good morning. Okay, what do we got? Back to, let's see, what do we got? What do we got? MEXC, talk to your contacts to add coins to spot the ones that are on spot list. Only found GL1 Flux. Yes, they're working on it. They're adding a lot of new spot pairs on Blowoff. What you've got Bitcoin, different indicators that have different calculations. Basic ID is maths. Okay, Bitcoin, Fibonacci sequence. I hate Fibonacci. You know, every tool that a lot of people use, I hate it. You know, it sounds maybe a bit crazy what I'm saying now. It's just like the RSI, the stochastic RSI. Listen, when you go to any Fomo YouTube account out there and you're gonna watch those trading schools. I'm sorry, these trading schools, these so-called trading schools. What they will show you the trend line, they will show you the Fibonacci, they will show you the stochastic RSI, they will show you the RSI. Listen, bro, everyone in the world uses those tools. So what do you think market makers will do? Do you think that they will trade based on those levels? Maybe sometimes when the liquidity is low, it might work out. Because that way, the retailers will overrule the market makers. But when the market makers overrule the retailers on volume, they will do the exact opposite of your Fibonacci, your stochastic RSI, or your RSI. He's gonna hunt you down. He's gonna kill you. That's just how it works. Okay, guys, let me do some altcoins, and then we're gonna close it up. Let me do some altcoins. Let me go to my altcoins. Where are my altcoins? What's going on with my altcoins? Let me go to my altcoins. We also have another trade running, by the way. We also have another. Oh my God, look at this, guys. Are you seeing this? Look at this, guys. Look at this. They're waking up. They are waking up. They're getting ready. They're getting ready. The shorts, the wheels on the Bitfinex shorts. Look at it. Look, see. We've got this. Let me put it not this way. Let me use this one. Look at this, guys. Look at this. They're waking up. It looks like they wanna. And what are they gonna do? Well, that's not good for crypto. By the way, guys, I said yesterday, Wall Street is going to take over Bitcoin and crypto again. And it's exactly just like I told you. They started ramping up and they were defending Bitcoin, and Bitcoin started to bounce up over here. So it's exactly that. So over here, Wall Street took over, because over here, I told you, Wall Street is not going to save us. We're doomed. I said it on Twitter. It was over here. I told you, listen, Wall Street cannot save us. Wall Street is closed today. So we're effed. Boom. And over here was where Wall Street came into play again. Wall Street opened, the markets opened, and Wall Street started pumping up like crazy. And that's also the reason why you saw this bounce. I'm just saying, yeah, I know. I'm a sick connector, sick TA guy. I'm really sick. I know it. You don't have to tell me. I know that I'm a sick guy. I know it. But let me go into the altcoins. Yeah, we've got this one. I think the team has got this one running also. Listen, yes. This one is also running. I think they stopped out in 70% gains. I don't know if they re-entered, to be honest. I don't know if they re-entered. But at this moment, if we break this indie, but I think Bank is very Bitcoin related. So if Bitcoin start dumping, Bank will probably also dump down. But patient. Just patient. Let me go to my coins. Let me do some let's do some coins, and then we're gonna close it up, guys. So you guys can get back to your families, you can get to your jobs, whatever you're doing. So let me close it up, because I think that this is about what we want to see. So we've got Cody. I've got him filled, and I already took profits. I got him filled, just like said, explained. I bought the blood, and I already took profits over here. So that's Cody. Chelo, I've got him filled, same story. I took profits over here, just like shared on Twitter. Flaxi, I didn't take profits, because Flux is my #1 coin. I didn't take profits for now, so still didn't take profits. VeChain, I got him filled. I took profits over here, and it went up even more, and maybe I'm gonna take more profits if we'll get over here. Very simple. Over here, just like shared, I got filled. We got this beautiful double bottom, and I sold near over here, same way, and it's still going sideways. We'll make a bigger nice up. I will sell here, by the way. GLMI, I didn't sell GLMI because GLMI is just too wrecked. I'm just holding that one. This one, Ash, I didn't get filled. Link over here, I've got them filled, took profits over here, waiting for this thing to come down again. And if it goes up even more, I will take more profits over here. That's simple. What do you got more? What coins do I have more? Oh yeah, over here, RLC, I didn't get filled over here. I have a bag from here, and I have a bag from here. So I'm still in losses, almost over here is my break even. So I'm still in losses on RLC. So I cannot take profits. That's just what it is. I'm not always winning, guys. There are also some bags that I'm still in red from the blood buys, because this thing dumped too hard. FTM I didn't get filled, guys. I'm still waiting for this level, so I don't own any FTM. I think that there are a lot more other bags that I've been filled on, but I don't see them on my list over here. By the way, CAS. Are you seeing this, guys? We shorted this, took profits over here, and now we're getting ready for for short level number 2. And as you guys can see, this is the zone. this is the zone where the team will probably start opening their shorts again. Normally I don't say this, this is for the free private, but the team is getting ready. They will open up another big short on CAS. And I hope, to be honest, I hope that they will get wrecked for one time, that this thing just shoots up. But you know, they are going to open up. We're close, by the way. We're close. They were very closing in. So I think that the team will open up shorts here. Yeah, I think they're gonna do it. I think they're gonna do it. I think they're gonna because you know, these bounces up, these strong bounces up. I love these strong bounces up. This is just okay, boom, 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 and they will probably start shorting it. You guys can see over here, what is this? Not FTM. Why did FTM? We were talking about CAS. Where is my CAS chart? Over here. So this. By the way, guys, shorting, you need to own the game how to leverage trade. If you don't know how to leverage trade, don't do it. Don't go in it. Just stay away from leverage trading if you don't know how to do it. Leverage trading, especially on the gain trading style, you have to own the game. You have to know when to get in. You have to know when to add. You have to know how to chase trade. You have to know where your liquidation levels are very far. You need to own enough funds to make those gains. So, but I'm looking at this. The team is probably going to wreck this one. Okay, let me do this one. CKB. I like this one also, by the way, guys. I want to get filled over here, guys. I'm waiting for CKB to get filled, make a nice bounce, take some profits, and if it goes lower, to buy back in again. So that's the style. That's what it is, guys. Let me see if I got something. Did you also took profits on Velo? Velo. Let me see. Velo. Did I buy Velo? I don't know. I don't even know if I bought Velo. Did I buy Velo? Because I didn't like those cockroaches coming into my stream and starting to shill Velo. I really hated that. I might have been filled here, but I didn't take profits for sure. So, but you see, it's very dead also. It's not moving. So, Fed, give me your thoughts. You know, Top Dog, you know what's going on with this Fed, AGX, and Ocean? Did they merge or didn't they merge? Because it's a big nothing burger for now. So yeah, I need to do some research on this. I think that ASI, because ASI will be the new merged coin. So what's going on over there? Why didn't they merge already? I really don't know what's going on with Fed. So I don't have got a lot to say. Much respect from Wolfman. I hope you come to Slovenia and invite you to my ranch on launch. Well, that sounds very good, Mr. Wolfman. I like ranches, so maybe someday, maybe. Yeah, already merged. So why is it not on ASI? They were supposed to be ASI. So where is the ASI chart? Why is it still Fed if they merged? What's going on? Here you see it's on. What is this? ASI. Where is the new coin? I don't understand. Or did they merge to Fed? So did AGX and is AGX and Ocean now Fed? They pushed SE back 30 days. I don't get it. But how they pushed AC back? I don't understand. But what is it now? Because I can see Fed on the charts. But let me see. We've got Fed over here. Fed. What's going on with this Fed? So Feds are still trading. Let's see. What about Ocean? Ocean. Is it still trading? Yeah, it's still Ocean. It's still in Polynox. Let's see AGX. So what's going on over here? I really don't get it. AGX on Bybit. Over here it is. So they're all three, they're running. So where is the merge? Oh, this is going very... But I don't get it. I really don't understand what's going on. It's not completed yet. Okay, well, yeah. Listen, as long as something isn't completed yet, it's very dangerous to trade it. It's very dangerous. Ocean AGX, begin migration to Fed in AC Alliance token with phase 1. Okay, but does it mean that we're going to get an ASI coin instead of Fed, AGX, and Ocean? 5 days ago. But yeah, I mean, it's very... I cannot buy a coin that's going to get merged. so many problems could be caused in this merge. It's I'm not gonna take that risk, especially not at these stages. So the transition began 1 July. Okay, well, let's wait for it. You know, I just want to see Fed, AJX, and Ocean disappear from my trading view, and I want to see ASI trading. So that's when I know we're good to go, guys. Thank you very much for joining in. Stay safe, please, and you know, maybe I'm getting it all wrong. I'm just a human being, just like you guys. So maybe we're just going to skyrocket up from here, and we reach the bottom now, and everything is going to moon from here. It's possible, guys. It's possible. But I'm just giving you my honest opinion about how I am seeing it. And I have to tell you, I'm no bear, I'm also no bull. So based on what I see on the charts, I act on it. When I see, for example, a lot of volume getting into an altcoin, and I see it breaking up, and I see it making Fomo moves on my indicator, I don't know it. I just buy it. I just go trade it and make money. I just trade based on what I see. So today what I've been sharing with you guys are just my macro insights. And I could be wrong. I'm just a human being just like you guys. Have a nice one. Thank you all for watching. Oh, by the way, for the ones that want to join the free private, Blowfin is your fastest way in at this moment. Because why? The team is trading a lot on Blowfin. And I'm also trading on Blowfin and Weex, by the way. But Blowfin is your fastest way in to join the free private and get access to this best indicator out there. So I love you all, guys. Thank you all. Stay safe. And well, I'll see you guys soon again. Free money. Free money. This is why I keep saying, buy the blood. I give you guys the buy zones, I give you guys the support zones. And they don't hit always, but most of the times they hit. And when they hit, 18%, it's free money. $20 bounce, free money.